house, looking at the length of the redwood tree that fell in the last rain, and then up at the one that's about the same height, still standing beside it. Down from there to our house in Maple Tree. And if I keep wandering this way and cut in through the overgrowth to what we usually call the grotto, let's see what it looks like in here. There's a rope swing that the boys used to play on back here when they were little, still dangling there. Two big trees, but behind it, the fallen tree. And the rest of the grotto area of our yard, which is mostly redwood rainforest.